If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share so many things lifestyle and home and DIY decor. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Now, I am in the process of redecorating my office. I'm on a super tight budget. So I am incorporating some DIY decor and some DIY organization. And I wanted to share those with you guys. So let's get started. So for this first project, we're gonna make some DIY labels. I'm gonna use this clear sticker paper and I'm gonna print out these labels. I also offer these labels in my store, guys, and you can just print them out and use them around the office to organize everything. Once you've printed them out and cut the labels out, you just stick them on your boxes. This is such a super way to organize everything. So for the second project I have, we're gonna make a DIY marker board. I'm gonna use this old frame that I had in my office. It came from IKEA originally, and I'm gonna remove the back and we're gonna apply some marker contact paper to it. And so it's a cheap and easy way to create a marker board without having to go buy a marker board. If you want any of the materials I'm using in this video, it will all be in my Amazon shop as well because my materials mostly came from Amazon. And here I'm just going to apply the contact paper to the front plastic that was on the frame. And that's how we're going to create our marker board. The thing I love about this contact paper is also easy to remove. So if you mess up or start wrong, you can easily just pull it right back off and then apply it back on the way that it's supposed to go. You just want to make sure to get all your air bubbles out. And for the corners, I always just cut diagonally and then fold the rest of the ends across, and it goes on nice and smooth. This is such an easy and great DIY project, and this is really good also for kids. And if you want to just create a marker board quickly for kids, this is an easy route to go. And there you have it. The contact paper works just like a marker board. I really love it, and you can erase it right off. So for this next project, I'm going to be applying these peel and stick stickers to the wall. I'm going to create an accent wall over here on this side of the wall. I didn't want to paint it and I didn't want to do anything extravagant. This was the easiest route to go, and I love these peel and stick stickers. I used them in my laundry room previously. If you guys did not check out that video, you can check out my laundry room series, and I showed you guys how I did a decor wall in there. So for this one, I just wanted to add some greenery and some leaves, so these worked really well in here, and I really liked how they turned out. And again, these are super easy to take off and remove. So again, if you made a mistake or you want to move it, you can easily just unpeel it and then place it where you would like it to go. For this next project, we're going to make some DIY wall art. So I'm just going to use some of these old frames that I have around the house. Some of them I had things in them previously. We're just going to remove them and put in some new artwork. I have some printable wall art in my store now, and I love them, guys. I really do love them. I think they're so cute, so modern, and I designed them. So if you want them, be sure to check them out in my store. I just literally printed them out of my printer. And we're gonna put these in these frames to decorate my office with. I really love how this looks and how it turned out. This is such an easy way to redecorate a space, and it's a very inexpensive way to do it. And I'm going to come back and replace all of these with my printable wall art. I'm going to stick these in the frames later. So stay tuned, because when I give you my complete office transformation in this office series, you will see all of my artwork around the office. And so for this piece of artwork, I wanted to try something different. So instead of doing a background behind it or a matte frame, I just wanted to have it clear. So I just taped the printable wall art to the clear frame, and I didn't add a matte background. I didn't add anything behind it because I just kind of wanted to give it that floating look and try something new and different. And I just taped it to the picture frame. And then I hung it up on the wall, and I really love how it turned out. I think it's super cute, it's super modern and different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite or which one you may think about trying. I'll see you guys in my next video.